Hi folks, it's Switchback. I wanted to go over how to inflate the Summit Etherlight XT Extreme. So you'll notice that there are two pull cords on here. So you're going to want to do the red one first. This one will actually have the air mattress in it. And then the other side will make the pump sack. And there should also, there it is, have a patch kit as well. So on here, there are a couple different valves. So we store this open. So you want to keep it closed when you go to inflate it, like so. And then open only the outer valve so that it doesn't release the air out. And you'll see this little spot on the sack here, and you'll pop that in, lock it in there nicely, and then just inflate. You can blow some air in here quickly and roll it down. We'll do this several times. Whoop. So it popped off there, it means it's done. Usually it doesn't do that, but you'll feel that it's definitely inflated. You want to be able to push it, squish it a little bit. Go ahead and close up that valve. You can always adjust it down if you don't like it fully inflated. And that's how it's done. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.